Audio CD 2, Track 44, Word Focus. 1. Itinerary. According to the itinerary, we'll visit the British Museum on Thursday.
2. Attraction. The pyramids are Egypt's main attraction.
3. Historical. Tainan is one of the most historical cities in Taiwan.
4. Kiln. Without a kiln, making these ceramic vases wouldn't be possible.
5. Pottery. My uncle has a collection of Ming Dynasty pottery.
6. Sample. This supermarket allows customers to sample the food.
7. Blossom. My wife likes a perfume that smells like cherry blossoms.
8. Concert. We're going to a concert tonight. They're playing Mozart.